Automated performance analysis is performed when running a send logs by job operation. In the command center, locate the job that you wish to run performance analysis against. Automated performance analysis only works on a single job at a time, and the job must have run for longer than 10 minutes. With your job to be analyzed located, click the Actions button to the right and select Send Logs. You'll be saving the Send Logs output locally, so uncheck Upload to Support and select Output to Path. Browse to and select the path where you wish to save the log file bundle. The automated performance analysis process occurs during the Send Logs operation, and a text file is created inside the Send Logs bundle for the destination media agent containing the analysis results. Locate the Send Logs bundle compressed file. Extract this, browse for the log bundle of your destination media agent. Extract this, and inside the extracted folder you will find all the log files for the destination media agent. The file you require will be named CVPerfLog Analyze. Open this file in the text editor to view the analysis output. The first section displays the summary information: machine details, IP address, ComServe details, software version, date and operating system type. The next section displays some baseline statistics for the analyzed job: the job ID, the duration, and calculated statistics for reads, network transfer, and data writes. Displayed here is the duration in seconds, the amount of data transferred, and a calculated throughput. The final sections are the remediation sections. The analysis tool can detect bottlenecks in network transfer, application read, media write, and deduplication processing, and will display separate bottlenecks and possible remediation steps for each potential bottleneck found. For this job, potential bottlenecks were found with reading from the source. For application read performance, some possible remediation steps are suggested. The first is to increase the number of data readers from the subclient. Suggested values are 8 or 12. The second is to change application or read size from the subclient. Suggested values are 512 kilobyte or 1 megabyte. The third suggestion is to run the CV DiskPerf tool on the source to verify the disk performance. Documentation links are provided for each remediation step, and important considerations are also listed. It is important to understand the impact of performing some remediation steps, so you should make sure that you fully read the associated documentation links and considerations before attempting the suggested steps. So in a matter of minutes, you have analysed the job, identified a number of performance bottlenecks, and immediately have some further troubleshooting and remediation steps available to help you optimize your environment.